Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 3 on Xbox 360 without Xbox Live full guide. Power on the Xbox 360 and insert the disc, then go to System Settings and disable the network connection. Launch the game while offline, choose a local profile, and confirm save locations. Adjust controller and display settings for smooth local play and avoid any prompts requiring Xbox Live access. Set up local multiplayer by choosing split screen or private match options from the main menu. Invite a friend to join on the second controller, select teams, maps, and game types to keep everything offline. Adjust controller sensitivity and display settings to match both players' preferences, and test a quick round to ensure smooth performance. This keeps your matches private, avoids Xbox Live prompts, and preserves local progress for both players. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long gaming sessions, seals tight, and stays cold during marathon plays, so you can stay focused and hydrated without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your setup. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For campaign play, choose Solo Campaign while your console stays offline to avoid any online requirements. Save progress to your local profile or an external memory device so your campaign progress remains accessible on that Xbox 360. Rely on auto checkpoints and perform manual saves before quitting to ensure you can resume smoothly. If you need to move saves between consoles, use compatible storage devices and transfer only when both consoles are offline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.